Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing Neville Goddard's telephone technique. This technique is a powerful manifestation method that many people in the manifesting community are not familiar with. However, thousands of people have used this technique to manifest their desires and live their dream lives. So, if you're someone who has tried all other methods but still can't seem to get your desired results, you must try this technique. As the name suggests, the telephone technique involves imagining receiving a phone call from someone who is congratulating you on the manifestation of your desires. But before we dive into the steps of this technique, let's talk about Neville Goddard and why his teachings are so trusted and effective. Neville Goddard was a great mystic who made a huge impact in the field of reality creation. His teachings have changed the lives of millions of people, and even today, millions of people still follow his teachings and practice his techniques to manifest their desires. One of the techniques he suggested to his students and followers was the telephone technique, and he himself explained the whole process in detail. This makes this technique more trusted and effective, as it is not like those techniques that are devised by manifestation coaches. Now, let's talk about the telephone technique. This technique is super easy and fun to use, and it works for everyone and for everything. So, if you want to manifest your desires quickly and effortlessly, this method is the way to go. The first step in using the Neville Goddard's telephone technique is deciding what you want to manifest. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the rest of the process. The most important aspect of this step is to be clear and concise about what you want to manifest. You have to have a clear understanding of what it is that you truly desire, as this will help you to focus your thoughts and emotions towards your manifestation. To make this step easier, it's recommended that you take some time to reflect on what you truly want. Ask yourself what would make you happy, fulfilled, and satisfied. Write down a list of your desires and then pick the one that resonates with you the most. It's important to choose just one thing to focus on at a time, as the power of manifestation comes from focusing all your energy and effort into just one thing. It's also important to have faith and believe that you can manifest your desires. You have to have the belief that what you desire is possible and that you can bring it into reality. This belief will act as a catalyst for your manifestation and help you to focus your thoughts and emotions in the right direction. The second step in the Neville Goddard's telephone technique is to choose a person with whom you would like to have the imaginary phone call. This person will play an important role in the manifestation process, as they will be the one calling you to congratulate you on the manifestation of your desires. You may also choose to have more than one person call you to congratulate you on your success. Choosing the right person or people for this step is important, as you want to pick someone who you think will be supportive and excited for you. It could be someone from your close friends, family members, or even a colleague who you know who would be genuinely happy for your success. You want to choose someone who you trust and who will believe in you, as their energy and excitement will add to your manifestation. In case you want to manifest something for someone else, you can imagine that person calling you to tell you about their successful manifestation. This technique can be used to assist someone in manifesting their desires, and it can work just as effectively as when you're manifesting for yourself. The third step in the Neville Goddard's telephone technique is writing a script and imagining it. This step is crucial, as the results will be generated based on how you would imagine and visualize the phone call. The script should be a representation of the conversation you will have with the person you chose in step 2, where they will be congratulating you on the manifestation of your desires. When writing the script, make sure to include as many details as possible, such as the tone of the conversation, the emotions and feelings, and the words that will be used. Try to make the script look as real as possible, as this will help you to imagine the scene more effectively. You can even record the script in a journal or diary, so that you can read it and imagine the scene every day. Writing down your thoughts and plans have a way of solidifying our intentions and greatly help in the manifestation process. Imagining the scene is the most important part of this step, as your imagination should be full of feelings and emotions. You should be able to feel the excitement and happiness of the person who is congratulating you. Emotions and feelings are the medium that can be used to put the desired thoughts in your mind. So make sure you feel happy, proud, and grateful when you imagine the person congratulating you. It's important to practice this technique every day, and the more you imagine the scene, the more real it will feel to you. You should imagine the scene as vividly as possible, and you should be able to feel the emotions and feelings as if it's happening in reality, right now. By doing this, you will be able to attract the manifestation of your desires, and you will see the results manifesting in no time. As the law of assumption confirms, it is our own thoughts and beliefs that will prevail in our reality at the end of the day. In conclusion, Neville Goddard's telephone technique is a simple, effective, and effortless manifestation method that anyone can use to bring their desires into reality. If you have tried other manifestation methods but have not seen the results you wanted, give the telephone technique a try. It is a method that has helped thousands of people, and it can help you too. And always remember, feeling is the secret. As we bring this video to a conclusion, do share with us in the comments section your thoughts on the telephone technique as taught by Neville Goddard, and how you plan to incorporate it in your daily life. Please do like and subscribe to our channel as we bring you more life-changing content in the days to come. Thank you for watching.
Once again, thank you for watching our videos. If there's anything in particular you'd like us to cover, please do mention it in the comments section. We'd be more than happy to cover any new age sort of information from any of the prolific speakers that we've got in our roster. Neville Goddard seems to be perhaps one of the most requested authors that we seem to cover. He is the pioneer of the law of assumption. Neville Goddard was born in Barbados in 1905 and subsequently immigrated to New York City. Although he had a great, profound effect on the American thought process, he affected many people across the world. Therefore, he's one of our favorite authors to cover in this speaking series that we have on Healthy America. Thank you once again for watching, and do leave us your feedback in the comments section below. Thank you.